Today we discuss about how business credit card works. 10 important facts about how business credit card works. There is lot to learn about business credit cards, but start by nailing down the following 10 essential facts about these important financing tools. 1. There are easier quality for and use than other type of loan. While you will need to provide a due credential to qualify for a small business loan like strong revenue, time in business credit store, secure industry risk, and more credit card companies would not ask for nearly as many qualification on their application and told the application and underwriting process takes a matter and minutes, unlike small business loan application which can take days or weeks. Credit card also allow you instantaneous access to financing, so they are especially useful for meeting your business short-term needs. Think material purchase, client dinner, internet service, and filling up your tank between meetings. And as more and more business so longer accept cash or are online, only having a business credit card in addition to cash will become essential, not to motion. Not to mention the fact that they will help you look for professional which will increase your business credibility. 2. Business credit and in credit and insurance consider both your business and your personal financials. On your business credit and application, your card issuer will request some information about your business financial, including your income and estimated monthly spend. That's partly how they will determine your eligibility for the card, and if so, the size of your credit line. If you are startup and do not have much of business income, don't worry too much. As the primary card holder, you will also provide your personal income and personal outstanding debt on the application. That's how they will calculate your debt to income ratio, which shows the card issuer whether you have the financial bandwidth to take the more debt. And as long as you can prove that you can repay that, whether that's using funds occur from your business or not, your card issuer might still approve you for a business credit card. 3. And your personal credit scores. Along those lines, the card issuer will look at your personal credit scores during the application process. It may seem intrusive or at least irrelevant for the card issuer to look at your personal credit score for a business credit card, but your credit score is numerical indication of how well or poorly you have honored your debt agreements in the past. You can imagine why the card issuer or any other small business lender would consider the primary cardholder's personal credit score a good indication of how will they handle their business debt too. So it would be wise to monitor your credit score beforehand to see where your score stands. That will give you a sense of which card you are eligible for. Most cards publish a minimum credit score you need to apply. Also bear in mind that the more credit card application you submit, the more likely that your credit score will suffer since and card issuer make a hard credit inquiry with each application. To reduce the chances of this happening, thoroughly research which credit card are best for you and apply to no more than a few at a time. 4. The might or might not affect your personal credit score. Although credit card issuers will check your personal credit score during the underwriting process using your business credit card and might only actually impact your personal credit score. That all depends on the whether the issuer report credit actively, either positive or negative or both, to the consumer credit. The three biggest are Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Check the card issuer directly to see how and where the report and card activity. They most that said, most business credit card issuer do report credit activity to the commercial credit and bread treat Equifax and Experian, which is a good thing. A strong business credit score can increase your purchasing power over time, although credit and companion do not typically consider your business credit score in your application. Certain small business lenders might show you as you build up your business credit history. Through responsible card usage, you will position yourself to qualify for traditional business loan on their on the line. 5. They provide peaks and rewards that help you run your business. Just like your personal credit card, your business credit card can offer a wide variety reward programs, including cash back, insensitive redeemable points and travel insurance. Unlike your personal card, through these rewards programming are geared specifically toward business for insurance. To check the business cash credit card offer 5%, 2% or 1% cashback depending on where you make your purchase, but all those purchasing categories encompass typically business expense like office supplies, cell, internet, cable service, and gas and during out. 6. They do not offer the same protection as personal credit card. There are so many reasons to use business credit card, but nothing is in life or in small business finance is perfect. On the downside, most of the business credit holders do not have the same protection as consumer credit cash card holders. 7. They might actually be charged card. Before you apply for a business credit card, you of course will of course need to determine which type of credit card is right for you and whether that's credit card at all. Instead of a typical credit card, you might want to consider a charge card. Fun fact, most American Express card are actually charge card. So 8. Your employee can use them. One of the great advantages of the business credit card is opportunity to include employees cards, but this is another area where you can get into financial trouble, so tread carefully. Before offering employee cards, think about how really needs on one and limit who has access to company cards, only the most necessary staff members. 9. They should only be used for business expense. It is extremely important that you your to use your business credit card for business purpose only. They might require a personal guarantee secure. Business credit card almost always require to card holder to sign a personal guarantee, which means they are personally legally or liable to the repayment, and it is also have 10 types of business credit card works.